Cattle continue to be on a tear with live cattle futures hitting record highs for a third day in a row on Friday. Ag Day's Michelle Rook is back with more on how we'll be starting this week in markets now.
Grains all leaning to the downside on Friday. Dan Bossy is back with us with analysis. And Dan, let's talk just a bit about some of the pressure that we saw in the grains. Corn and soybeans had a pretty good up week. So was it profit taking or was it more Argentina lowering their export tax?
You know, it's a little bit of each, Michelle. We saw the grain market set back overnight on news that Argentina will make their exports more competitive. They dropped their rate, if you will, on soybeans by about 7%. So it works out to about 67 cents a bushel relative to the tax that either farmers get a benefit or the exporters get a benefit. We'll let them figure that out, but they are going to be more competitive. So that kind of started us out to the downside. And then we started to get some rain across Argentina. The weather pattern looks like it's changing. So, you know, more regular rains are projected for the next couple of weeks. That's of help as crop conditions have been falling. And after this rally, I think going into the weekend, we saw some profit taking, uncertain what would come forward from the Trump administration.
And not only that, but we had run up into some chart resistance in both corn and soybeans, hadn't we?
We really have. You know, it's interesting. If you look at corn, we are looking at open interest that is now back to 2 million contracts. It's right back at the old high. And we would imagine Monday, when you get commitment of traders data, we'll be looking at 370,000 contracts long there too. So the market speculatively is getting a little overextended.
Yeah, and the funds have actually started going a little bit long in the soybean market. Will they keep pushing the long side of that market too or not?
I think so. As long as the charts are pointing up, the algo systems, AI systems, if you will, buy momentum. That's why we've been up 8 of 9 days. Today was the first down day since the USDA crop report in January. You know, if the market doesn't hold on Monday or Tuesday, maybe that's a warning signal. But for today, they were buying to break, and that's what these funds will do until they get real evidence that the trend has changed.
Okay, thanks so much, Dan Botsy with Ag Resource. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.